What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, it's Al here. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, what does the cool light mean on a Toyota Yaris? If you've ever started your Toyota Yaris on a crisp morning and noticed a little blue light on your dashboard, you might have wondered what it actually means. This cool light is one of those things that may look unfamiliar to many drivers, especially if you've never paid much attention to the temperature indicators in your vehicle before. But don't worry, in many cases, it's completely harmless. Let's dive into what this light actually does, when it appears, and if you should be concerned about it. What is the cool light in a Toyota Yaris? The cool light, often represented by a blue thermometer icon, is essentially a temperature indicator. Unlike the warning lights that alert you to potential dangers, the cool light is simply letting you know that your engine is just too cold. It's usually nothing to be alarmed about. When you first start your car, particularly in colder weather, the engine needs a bit more time to warm up before it runs at its optimal temperature. The cool light is there to keep you informed about this, indicating that your engine is still warming up. Once the engine reaches its normal operating temperature, the light will turn off. So when does the cool light actually turn on? The cool light comes on most frequently after your car has been parked for a while, such as overnight. If the temperature drops, or if it's a particularly cold morning, the light will likely appear when you start your car. It's more noticeable in colder climates, when the engine may need a few more minutes to warm up to a safe driving temperature. It's worth noting that the cool light should only turn on for a short period. As your engine gradually warms up, the light will disappear. In most cases, this happens within a couple of minutes after you start driving. Just to note, if you're looking to get a used car with this cool light feature, then go to carnights.co.uk to check it out. Is the cool light a warning sign? Now, this is where a lot of people get concerned. Unlike many of the warning lights on your dashboard, like the dreaded check engine light or the oil pressure warning, the cool light is more of an advisory. It's not warning you about a problem, but simply keeping you informed. Think of it as your car saying, hey, I'm a little bit cold right now, don't put your foot down too hard. In essence, it's a normal part of your car's functioning, particularly when the temperatures are low. So what should you do when the cool light turns on? The best thing you can do when the cool light turns on is to drive gently until it turns off. Avoid pushing the car too hard by accelerating rapidly or revving the engine excessively. Driving calmly gives your engine the time it needs to reach a safe operating temperature. If you're in a rush, it can be tempting to drive as normal, but taking it easy will prolong the life of your engine. It's a good habit to develop, especially in the colder months when your car is more likely to display the cool light. How long does the cool light stay on? Generally, the cool light will remain on for a few minutes after you start your Toyota Yaris. It should turn off fairly quickly as the engine warms up. If the light remains on for longer than 10 to 15 minutes, it could be a sign that the engine is taking too long to reach its normal temperature. In colder weather, the light may stay on slightly longer, which is usually nothing to worry about. However, if it persists in warmer conditions or doesn't turn off at all, you might want to have it checked out by a mechanic. Can the cool light actually indicate a problem? In rare cases, the cool light could indicate an underlying issue. If the light stays on for an unusually long time, even after driving for a while, it might suggest that your engine is struggling to warm up properly. This could be due to a problem with the thermostat or another part of your vehicle's cooling system. It's also possible that a malfunctioning sensor is causing the light to stay on longer than it should, and that's usually the case. While these issues are uncommon, they're worth keeping in mind if the light behaves differently than usual. If in doubt, it's always a good idea to consult a mechanic or your local Toyota dealership for a quick checkup. It's better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to your vehicle's health. How does the cool light differ from other temperature indicators? It's important to distinguish the cool light from other temperature-related indicators. While the cool light is blue and informs you that the engine is cold, a red or an orange thermometer icon usually signals overheating. Overheating is a much more serious issue and requires immediate attention. If your engine's overheating, you'll need to pull over as soon as it's safe to do so and allow the engine to cool down before continuing. Ignoring an overheating warning can cause significant damage to your car's engine, so it's crucial to take that light seriously. On the other hand, the cool light is just part of your car's normal process and rarely requires immediate action before driving cautiously until it switches off. In summary, understanding the cool light on your Toyota Yaris can help you maintain your car and drive more efficiently. It's not something to worry about, but rather a reminder that your engine needs time to warm up before it operates at its best. If you ever notice anything unusual, like the light staying on for too long, it's always a good idea to have a mechanic take a look. Keeping your car in top shape ensures a smoother, safer driving experience for years to come. Are you looking to buy a new used car? Well, then contact us today at carnights.co.uk, carknights.co.uk, and we can help you. We have over 200 cars available in stock, and we're based in the UK, and we ship nationwide. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, guys, hit the like button, and comment down below what your takeaways were from this video. See you in the next one.